Most young people today have a common obstacle: financial illiteracy. We are taught how to earn, not how to make money work for us. It's one thing to manage daily expenses, but to achieve real financial freedom? That's a different story. Here's the new perspective. Money is not what you earn, it's what you grow. And growing wealth doesn't require a fat salary or even deep financial knowledge. All you need is a mindset and a set of tools. In today's world, some of the most powerful of these tools are in artificial intelligence, AI. Imagine having real-time, personalized financial advice tailored to your income, spending habits, and long-term goals. That's what AI would do. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket, analyzing your data and helping you make better decisions every day. Take, for example, apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These AI-powered tools can track spending, suggest better ways of saving, and even forecast what your financial decisions today will be like tomorrow. Want to know where your money is going? AI will show you and help you fix it. Think about it. AI can see your financial behavior, identify patterns you may not even be aware of. Spending too much on things you don't need? AI will tell you. Have money you could be investing instead of wasting? AI will show you where to put it for maximum growth. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey, in which planning is the key. Let AI help you create a roadmap that will adapt to your life. More than just a budget, this is a long-term strategy that grows with you. And when your income or goals change, AI tools will update the plan for you. No more guessing or feeling lost. Just clear, data-driven advice to help you stay in control of your tomorrow. If you're not sure where to start small. Download one of these AI-powered financial tools and let it analyze your spending. You'll be surprised how much you can save or redirect into investments with just a few changes. Now let's talk about the big picture. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or planning for early retirement, AI can help you break down these massive goals into smaller steps. You don't need to know everything about money. All you need to do is start. AI can create a customized plan to help you achieve these goals, taking into account the steps in your current situation. In fact, that's where AI gives real power to complex financial planning and makes it accessible to everyone. The beauty of AI is it can process massive amounts of data and give you personalized advice, fast, efficiently, and cheaply. It's like having a financial advisor who never sleeps, but always works to make sure you're making the best decisions no matter what. AI won't replace hard work and effort, but it amplifies them. With AI, you can make better decisions. Add that to your will, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. The path to wealth is no longer a dream. It's a choice, and with AI, you have the tools to make it happen. Are you ready to get started?